Oh boy. He's in the rest of one adjourned.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nathan Turner requesting permission to practice pursuant to Michigan Court Rule 8.120 under the supervision of Porcio here.
Porcio here.
Feaster, I'm sorry. I
thought he was doing really well. Now there's a Torcio here.
For a second, that was his last name. I apologize.
Wow.
I apologize, Your Honor.
No, hey, you did what you could. Have you been before me before? Oh, he's got to have another meeting.
Not present. He's in the hospital.
Representing Mr. Howard, who is unfortunately not present because he's in the hospital.
Have you been before me before?
No, sir.
No, I can tell. Where are you from?
Originally, I'm from Georgia, Your Honor.
Georgia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, that explains part of it.
I have.
So, where'd you go to undergrad?
Harvard, actually.
Like that means anything. All right.
I was going to say that explains itself.
Yeah, that does. All right. So you went from Georgia to Harvard.
I did.
Yeah, that had to be a shock. And then where'd you go to law school?
I'm currently in law school at Michigan, Your Honor.
So you upgraded. That's bad.
That's right.
Okay. What part of Georgia?
South Georgia.
South Georgia. That's a big area.
It's
Where?
called Albany, Georgia. The native.
Albany. Yeah. So I kind of know where that is. The guy had crawled out from under a rock. So he's from Albany to Georgia to Harvard.
That's right.
And now to Michigan.
That's right.
And you said Torcio here. Okay, whatever. No, apparently your education's done you well. All right. Permission to practice is granted. Go ahead.
I apologize, Your Honor. I was just given this case to decide.
Your Honor, may counsel approach.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Feaster here. Come on up, bring him. I don't know, Johnson, what's going on? What are we doing in this case?
For resolution in this matter, Your Honor, the defendant is going to be pleading no contest to count 2 and an added to count 3 of attempt RNO. In exchange, count 1 will be dismissed.
And in looking at this, that's the court's full understanding. Has he signed a sentencing judge waiver?
He has, Your Honor, and we're signing the advice of rights right now.
All right. No, Johnson, this way.
Oh, yeah.
No, this way. You know the rules.
Yes, sir.
Let's have him sworn.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Help you God. State your name.
James Johnson.
All right. So Johnson, it's this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading no contest to 2 charges. Is that your understanding? Yep. First charge is to charge the stated count 2 of domestic violence. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes.
Second charge is the offense of attempted resisting and obstructing a police officer. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and or $1,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes.
Do you understand what a no contest plea is?
Yes.
Court will accept the defendant's no contest pleas to counts 2 and 3. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing in this case will be
August 21st at 10 a.m. before Judge Perry.
August 21st, 2024, 10 a.m. before Judge Perry. Bond in this case will continue. Oh,
I
yes, that's the bond.
am the first person to admit that I am wrong. I was wrong with regard to the phone privileges. What Mr. Johnson represented to the court at the last hearing, that despite the fact that he was calling the victim's phone number, he was contacting a second woman in the relationship,
I remember.
Delisha is accurate based off of listening to more of the phone calls. So at this time, I have no objection to defense's request to reinstate the defendant's phone privileges.
Anything else on that, Mr. Burns?
I have nothing to add, Your Honor, but I appreciate Ms. Barroso saying that we're asking that the phone privileges be reinstated. And I do have a couple of other bond requests of the court, if I could.
Yes.
So James right now has an August 7th court date before Judge Conlon for probation violation. The recommendation there is released to treatment. I'm wondering.
That's from this case?
Yes, Your Honor, this is the case that led to the violation. The recommendation from probation right now is released to treatment. I'm asking that the court would please consider amending the bond here to allow for release to treatment when that becomes available, if that is in fact ordered by Judge Conlon.
Any response to that request from the people?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else, Mr.
I have one more, Your Honor. Maybe on the stickier side of my bond request, but Ms. VC is the named victim in the case here. There's obviously no contact order with her. She's quite pregnant at the moment. Mr. Johnson is asking if the
I heard last time.
please. Fair enough. Asking if the court would please
But
consider.
there's the other one.
Yeah, they both are. Indeed.
Yeah, man, I know. It's complicated.
Not really. It works. Anyway, go ahead. Never mind.
Never a dull moment, Judge. If there's any type of no non-consensual contact provision in whatever form to allow communication with Ms. VC would be very much appreciated.
Okay. Is there a response to that from the people?
Your Honor, the victim is present and would like to address the court on that matter.
All right. I need to have Mr. James. Hello, what's your name?
Kamaya VC.
All right. What did you want to tell the court?
I just want to tell the court I'm asking for it to be lifted too. I've been going through it without being able to contact him, him being able to contact me. And, I just been through a lot of stress and everything. I'm just asking it to be lifted.
All right. So you want me to order no non-consensual contact, meaning that as long as you're okay with it, he could contact you?
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Hey, get up there. Listen to people. You just focus for a minute. All right. Anything else?
That's all I got, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. I will order that the defendant, first of all, the defendant's phone privileges are hereby reinstated. The defendant may be released on a PR with the conditions remaining to inpatient treatment. And I would amend the no contact provision to no non-consensual contact with the victim in this case. All right.
Much, Your Honor.
All right. I had a whole lot of questions for her, but I'll let it pass. No, go. Just go. Just go. We'll see you next time. Yes, you told me that the last time. Oh, boy.
Your Honor,
Oh, boy. He's back.
Nathan Turner requesting permission to practice pursuant to Michigan Court Rule.
Seriously?
8.20.
Seriously?
Under
Seriously?
supervision.
Seriously, hold on just a minute. Carrie, did you talk to him at all?
I did, Judge.
All right. Did you tell him that I only need that once per session?
I did not.
You did not.
I did not.
Why didn't you tell him that?
I apologize, Your Honor.
Because now he's standing up here, still rambling through that stuff. He's got kind of that Georgia Harvard thing going on.
That's right.
I can only understand every third word. And you made him say all that again.
Kind of like a.
Well, when he got to the end of it, this is really what I want to know. When he got to the end and he said, under the supervision, who was he going to say? He would be you this time?
It would be me.
Okay, not Feaster here.
That's correct.
Okay, all
That's
right.
why he wanted to say it.
That's why he wanted to do it? Oh, well, fine, go ahead. I'm listening. No, go ahead. No, the whole thing, again.
Oh, good morning, Your Honor. Nathan Turner requesting permission to practice pursuant to Michigan Court Rule 8.120 under the supervision of Assistant Public Defender Shanaza Karyakan-Rowley, representing Mr. Emil Thomas, who is here with me today.
All right, permission to practice is granted again.
Thank you.
All right, what are we doing on this case?
Was provided some information by the public defender obtaining a CPL. He had one previously. It was expired at the time of this incident, but he's since received a CPL. Based on that, in the interest of justice, I'm going to have a nollie cross filed with this court probably by the end of today, if that's okay.
All right. Any objection to that?
No objection at all, Your Honor.
You think you won some. You see that? He smiled. Oh, I don't have any objection. All right. This case is nollie cross. It'll be dismissed, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, they call it dropping the H-bomb. And so they should expect this type of reaction when they do drop the H-bomb. Some people say they went to college, Cambridge, and just leave it at that.
Leave it at that.
I dropped it very reluctly.
No.
In that situation.
No, you were trying to brag. I get it.
I was like,
I get it, but you don't understand. That means nothing to us.
I know, that's why I was reluctant.
Nothing at all. I don't even know where that is. Some school, someplace. Court, that's called.
This chaotic day in court starts with a new law student nervously requesting permission to practice, and Judge Simpson wastes no time teasing him about his Georgia accent, Harvard background, and his habit of over-explaining everything. But the real drama begins when James Johnson enters to plead no contest to domestic violence and resisting police. Judge Simpson walks him through the charges, accepts the plea, and sets sentencing. But the bond discussion turns emotional fast. The prosecutor reveals phone call confusion. The defense asks for treatment release. And then the pregnant victim steps forward asking the judge to lift the no-contact order, saying she's stressed and wants communication restored. Judge Simpson agrees, reinstates phone privileges, and amends the order to allow contact with her consent. Just when things seem calm, the law student returns, repeating his entire permission request again. Judge Simpson can't believe it. Seriously? I only need that ONCE per session. The courtroom bursts into laughter as the judge roasts him about Harvard, Georgia, and that whole accent situation, before finally granting permission and dismissing another case, a mix of tension, emotion, comedy, and classic Judge Simpson moments, all in one hearing, asterisk. Like, subscribe and hit the for more real courtroom drama and unbelievable moments.